Welcome back to Teach Me How to Clean. Today I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I'm going to get all this built up soap scum off the bottom of my bathtub here. This is a tried and true cleaning mix for me. I use it hands down in my showers. It is the best thing I've ever used. I will leave the exact recipe down in the description box, but it's just Dawn dish soap, vinegar, and a little bit of hot water. All I'm going to do is go ahead and spray this on here. The vinegar works really well to just break up all the soap scum. Vinegar is obviously really acidic. It works amazing for just kind of breaking down all of that soap scum. Hard water stains as well, and really just allowing it to loosen up so that you can go ahead and scrub it off really easily. I'm also going to use one of these scrubbing brushes. As you can tell, I use the heck out of this thing, but I'm just going to take it and go ahead and start scrubbing off. And the Dawn dish soap really works, just help breaking down that grease and whatever's built up. Obviously soap is really scummy, and it just helps break it all down. But I'm just going to do this exact method all the way around the tub, and then I'll show you guys the end result, but it works absolutely amazing. You know, if you're a bar soap lover, that wherever you set your soap gets super nasty, just really gunked up. And this works really well to go ahead and get that off. Like anything, you're going to have to give it some elbow grease, but it does a really good job at loosening it all up. And the bristle brush always helps, right? And just like that, all the soap scum is now off of the sides of our tub. Thank you guys so much for watching. If this helped you, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. I will link down below another video I have all about this magic shower cleaner, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.